Hi everybody, this is MVK. I have 25 years of experience, worked around 15 countries, managed and also recruited thousands of resources. Currently I'm working as a director in one of the big 4 companies. Please subscribe, share and also like this video so that this will reach to all the people and it is useful. Hello friends, thanks for watching Career Coach channel. This is MVK. Friends, if you recollect our previous videos, we covered all SAP module career options and also we covered SAP intern positions available, and we published them in the SAP jobs playlist. But what I understand out of the questions raised by the team members and also the various students, there is a confusion where students are not getting right in terms of getting trained in SAP, as well as they are asking repeated questions which I already covered. So I already prepared few videos earlier on that, but still there is a big gap. So I am giving a quick introduction on the approach for the studying in terms of going through the videos on a specific module initially. Then we will also get into most interesting part, that is what are the current SAP internship trainee jobs available, which I found over the net, as well as where I felt to share with you guys. So if you already know how to watch playlist and you have done some research on my channel, then you can skip this section and can jump into directly to the job section. Otherwise you stay back, and even for you also, just try to stay back for a few minutes. This is really useful for you. As part of this training program, what I have done is I made a playlist covering, if you see the screen here, this playlist covering all the modules. I prepared one for SAP HR, one for SAC, one for Basis, one for ABAP, one for PP. Likewise, for every module I have prepared. Okay, so it just pretty much handy. Let us assume that you are an SAP HR candidate and you have done SAP SuccessFactors training. You need to just go to the playlist, or it applies to any other module. Let me pick some other module, which is like, let me take FICO. If you are an FICO consultant, trained basically, and you are looking for SAP FICO career progression, you can click this. This will take you to all the videos which you need to go in order to get equipped for achieving the jobs. Guys, you need to go through each and every video in full. I am in this field for about 25 years and I trained a lot of college passed outs who are now working as even vice presidents and head of ITs and delivery heads globally. All successful candidates are very serious. So just be serious, go through each and every video and note it down the points, prepare proper notes. It's pretty much important for you to do this, and write it down all your questions. And if you think anything is missing, you can always approach me. I have given my LinkedIn details. You can click that, it is available. I'll show you that also. And also I've created another group. Please join that group, wherein I am periodically posting various jobs as well as new courses in SAP. And also you can follow me on the LinkedIn so that you can see what is happening in SAP world. So likewise, the way I have done here, I have done for all other modules. Like just now I shown you FICO. Likewise I have done MM, I have done for SD. For every module I have prepared. Be patient, go through each and every video. I've even explained why. For example, you go here, I mentioned here in the content what is the first video covers, what is second video covers, because everything are in an order which will give you very much clarity in order to achieve an SAP job. This is pretty much important for you. So just go through this and just let me know if at all you have any questions. I am ready for that and I want you to be successful. Please also post you have any new requirements. I will definitely respond to those questions. I'm preparing more and more video because of my busy schedule. I'm not pulling out much time. I know that last few weeks I've not published any, but I'll try to publish regularly. You also need to understand that I travel a lot. So, I mean, whenever I'm getting some time, I'm doing it. Guys, use this opportunity, and I want all my students who are following me are messaging me, get a good job and they are settled down. Now, all the best, guys. Let me now get into the job portals, job options which are available. I will go in an order, and last one will be the big four one. Okay, so let me start. So here you can see I will post all these links in a single post. You can join the LinkedIn group, where usually I will post all of them in a single one, so that you can follow one after one and can apply the related ones. Okay, the first one is SAP job posting is for SAP SD consultant. If you see this, is a company called Vega IntelliSoft. They're posted, they're looking for anybody who passed out after 2019. They're looking for this. You can check this one. All these listings, what I'm doing is I'm pulling out and putting it in a single post and publishing in the LinkedIn group. Please join that particular group and all these links will be available. Apart from this, I'm also putting this list in this particular video in the below comment section. You can check there as well. The second one is SAP Associate. This is with Wipro. They are also looking somebody to come up with this experience with Wipro. Okay, this is for all the skills. They are not mentioning that you got to have any single module. It is for all. SAP is mandatory. MS Office, they are not asking for any such things. Okay. Then after that you have SAP SD one, SAP Basis one. This is for another one, which is like they are also asking for this. I think this is only Mumbai location. Then you have SAP ABAP. In SAP ABAP, you have this is the company which is looking for somebody who passed out after 2018. Then you have SAP ABAP. Once again, this is another company. They are asking only certified people. What is SAP ABAP? All that stuff. The entire list is made available, guys. As I said earlier, just make sure you follow the playlist. I will be regularly posting the jobs and also training material also. Okay, so just make sure you follow the playlist. You keep that as a bookmark and just regularly check every 4 days, a week or so. Just make sure you follow that and cover everything. And the most important and interesting one is PwC. See, they are asking for the Gurgaon, PwC. They are asking, the links are made available in the LinkedIn group which I made down. You can join. This is for everybody. So you can see here, it's interesting, pretty much interesting one. You can try this. This is going to be a hot opportunity. Rush yourself. Just make sure you apply immediately, and you will definitely, hopefully, you will get. So guys, these are the opportunities which are currently available. You can go through all of them. I'm repeatedly saying, go through each and every video which I publish in the playlist and make sure you apply to all these jobs. And last and but not least is, guys, this I am making in the interest of helping you guys. I do not have any connection to any of these particular postings. I am just doing whenever I am getting some time, I am pulling out because I know how to pull them and showing you so that it is benefit for you. If anybody are asking payment or anything, any commercial things happen, please take decision in a way where it is not impacting you. Talk to your parents, talk to your colleagues, make right decision. Okay, somebody, it's because this world will have definitely bad people, right? So you got to be careful and just make sure apply to all the one, and just whenever any misleading is happening, just be cautious. Okay, so I am not responsible for any of your payments because I am not expecting any payments, and this is done on a free of cost mode. I am not taking any money from any of these particular firms. This is completely done on a social service basis because I love my children and I love my students and I want my students to get the job. All who are watching this and who want to become SAP consultants are my students. You can always follow me in LinkedIn. We'll be supporting you wherever possible. So put your questions, wherever you have any questions or anything. Don't lose your confidence, put those things. I will be responding based on the availability, and also keep yourself strong, prepare well. I have given clear notes in each and every video. Just follow that. All right, all the best, guys. Bye bye.